light at his lab. He found that when a beam of colored light entered a liquid, a fraction of light scattered by that liquid was of different color. Raman showed that the nature of the scattering light was dependent on the type of sample present. This was called the Raman effect. Raman effect is about the behavior of lights in fluids. As per this concept, when light travels through a fluid, then there is an interaction between light and fluid which is called dispersion of light. Raman effect helps in explaining various natural phenomena like the blue color of the sky, advancing sunrise and delaying sunset. It also explains the appearance of red sky during the sunrise and sunset. Raman sir got the Nobel Prize for the physics in 1930 for his discovery. Thank you.
On the occasion of National Science Day, we are present here to show you an experiment. So let's start. Here we have taken one bottle and a balloon attached in it. Here we have invited two students, Kritika and Yashashri, to come here and blow the balloon. Here you can see that Kritika is not able to blow the balloon. Now we will see about Yashashvi. Yashashvi is able to blow the balloon. Now I will tell you how is it possible. On the first balloon, which present interesting facts on National Science Day. So let's start. Fact number 1, 20% of Earth's oxygen is produced by Amazon rainforest. Fact number 2, Saturn has more than 12 clusters. The rings are mostly made of chunks of ice. Fact number 3, stomach acid is strong enough to dissolve stainless steel. Fact number 4, just like fingerprint, everyone has different tongue prints. Fact number 5, an adult human brain weighs 3 pounds. Fact number 6, blood is 6 times thicker than a water. Fact number 7, the brain cannot feel pain. Fact number 8, hot water will turn into ice faster than cold water. Fact number 9, human have 206 bones, the human foot has 26 bones, the human hand including the wrist had 54 bones. Fact number 10, electricity travels at the speed of light about 3 lakh km per second. We hope you like the interesting fact. Thanks for being attention. So, my friend Aralma will perform the experiment and I will tell the steps in conclusion. So let's start. Material required for the experiment are sugar, spoon, water, 2 glasses and food color. Take both the glasses and half fill it with water. Now mix sugar in second glass and keep the first glass as it is.
मार पड़ेगी तुम लोगों को। ये सामने बैठी लड़कियां। अरे आप लोग एक आध लोग इधर।
Now add some food color in both the glasses. What do you observe? Yes, in first glass the color mixed with water. In second glass the color floats on the surface of water. Do you know how this is possible? Let me tell you all. It is due to density. Density is the number of particles in a given volume. When sugar is added in second glass, more space between the water particle is filled. Adding sugar to the water increases the density of water. So, the more sugar in the water, greater the density. So that is why the second glass contains sugar solution. So its density was increased and the color floats on the surface of water. Whereas in first class, the density of color is greater than the density of water. That is why the color mixed in water. I hope you all have enjoyed that experiment. Thank you and have a marvelous day ahead. A very good morning to one and all present here. Today, I, Sanjali of class 11C, is going to tell you about Sir C.V. Raman on the special day of National Science Day. Sir C.V. Raman was born on 7 November 1888 at Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu, India. His full name was Chandrasekhara Venkata Raman. He was the son of R. Chandrasekhara Iyer and Parvati Aman. His father was a lecturer in mathematics and physics at Presidency College in Madras. C.V. Raman passed his BA examination in 1904 in first place and won the gold medal in physics. And in 1907, he gained his MA degree with the highest distinction. Sir C.V. Raman was the Indian physicist whose work was influential in the growth of science in India. He was the first Indian scientist to be honored with the prestigious Nobel Award in Physics in the year 1930. His discovery, Raman effect or Raman scattering, is popularly known as inelastic scattering of a photon. He was honored with the large number of honorary doctorates and membership of scientific societies. He died in 21 November 1970 at the age of 82 at Bangalore. National Science Day is celebrated in India on February 28 each year to mark the discovery of Raman effect. Now I would like to handing over the mic to Anjali for some information related to National Science Day. Thank you. Thank you, Sanjali. I feel it is unnatural and immortal to try to teach science to children in a foreign language. They will know facts, but they will miss the spirit, said by C.V. Raman. Honorable Principal Sir, teachers, and my dear friends, myself Anjali Kumari of class 11C, extremely honored to have such a great opportunity to acknowledge you about the National Science Day. Please listen it carefully to answer the questions in last. As you all know that National Science Day is celebrated on 28 February every year across India. It commemorates the invention of Raman effect by the great Indian physicist Sir Chandrasekhar Venkata Raman. Sir Raman on this date had invented the Raman effect in the year 1928. For his contribution in the field of science, Sir Raman was awarded the Nobel Prize in the Physics in the year 1930. By celebrating this day as National Science Day, we show our dignity and respect to the famous Indian physicist for his contribution in the field of science. The main objective of National Science Day is to bring awareness to people about the importance of science in our daily life and to encourage people by popularizing the science and technology. Every year, the theme is celebrated with a particular theme. And for this year 2022, the theme is Integrated Approach in Science and Technology for a Sustainable Future. The themes are meant to acknowledge the efforts of ordinary people, students, employees, public leaders, and representatives. Now I would like to ask few questions. So my first question is, what is the theme for National Science Day? I repeat my question, what is the theme for National Science Day? No, the answer is wrong. The answer is the integrated approach in science and technology for a sustainable future. Now my next question is, why do we celebrate National Science Day? On the occasion of National Science Day, we are going to show you science as a magic. So let's start. Here we have taken one bottle with 6 holes in its bottom, and now we fill it with water. The interesting fact in this, when I say stop, it stops leaking. As all you know, the water leaks because there are holes. In this interesting fact is, when I say it stop leaking, and when I say it start, it again start leaking. So as you see, the water is leaking. Stop. As you are seeing, the water is stop leaking. Start. As you are seeing, this water is start leaking. Now I tell how it can be done. There is a secret hole in the starting of the water. The hole, when we press it, the water stop leaking, and when we open it, the water stop leaking. Now, related to this, you also easy to make a model like this. There is a model made by Ria. When you open the cap, the water fill it in the glass, and when you lock the cap, the water not come. I hope you all like my project. Thank you and have a nice day.
Atoms. According to physics, we are almost empty space. Similarly, there are many such exciting facts in science that you will be amazed to know. Good morning to one and all present here. Myself, Bhumika of class 11C. I am here to acknowledge you about interesting facts related to science in both English and Hindi. So let's begin. If you leave Earth at age of 15 in a spaceship at a speed of light and it spends 5 years in space, when you get back on Earth, you will 20 years old. But all of your friends who were 15 when you left will be 65 years old at that time. Interesting. Human DNA and banana DNA are 50% the same. When person cries, the first drop comes out of the right eye. It's happiness. Left eyes are pain, but from both indicate frustration. According to loop quantum gravity theory, at the center of black hole, you won't die. Instead, you will be teleported to another universe through quantum theory. Plastic takes 450 years to decompose, while glass takes 4,000 years. Now, अब थोड़े फैक्ट्स हिंदी में। मनुष्य के शरीर में इतनी शक्कर होती है जिससे 10 कप चाय मीठी हो सकती है। गर्म पानी ठंडे पानी से भारी होता है। एक मध्यम आकार के बादल का वजन 80 हाथियों के बराबर होता है। अगर शरीर में पानी की मात्रा 1% कम हो जाए तो आपको प्यास लगने लगती है। वहीं अगर ये मात्रा 10% कम हो जाए तो आपकी मृत्यु हो जाएगी। हमारे शरीर के जो एंजाइम यानी कि प्रोटीन्स होते हैं वो हमें खाना पचाने में मदद करते हैं। हमारे मरने के बाद वही एंजाइम हमारे शरीर को खाना शुरू कर देते हैं। जब हम अपनी आंखें बंद करते हैं तो जो रंग हमें देखने को मिलता है वो आइगन ग्राउ, उसे हम आइगन ग्राउ कहते हैं, जो काले रंग से थोड़ा अलग होता है। हमारा वजन गुरुत्वाकर्षण यानी कि ग्रेविटी पर निर्भर है, जो कि सब जानते हैं। मान लीजिए आपका वजन 91 किलो है तो आप मार्स पर केवल 35 किलो के होंगे, क्योंकि मार्स पर गुरुत्वाकर्षण यानी कि ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स पृथ्वी से कम है। यानी आप मोटे नहीं, बस गलत ग्रह पर हैं। थैंक यू, हैव अ मार्वलस मंडे।
And dear students, it was a very nice program organized by Dr. K.K. Singh in commemoration of National Science Day. Science is a tool which can remove doubt and superstition from the minds of the people. All these things were already there in nature. Leaking of water, not leaking of water was there. Holding of air and releasing of air was there. Every phenomena of nature was there. But we were oblivious of that. We did not know anything about it. And the scientists, what did they do? They created this awareness. They imparted us knowledge of the principles behind the natural phenomena. Why does the liquid move? and why does the solid not move? This was already there.